Hello students, my name is Kamal and in this video I am going to discuss the method for evaluation of such type of integrals. Okay, I have taken this 5 sample integral in which a and b are which have some real values. Okay, so I am taking one by one these examples and show how this integral can be calculated very easily. Okay, so we are starting with the first type. Okay, that is 1 by a sine square x plus b cos square x dx. Okay, now in this method divide the numerator and denominator by cos square x. Now in doing so we will get here 1 by cos square x upon a sine square x plus b cos square x upon cos square x dx. If we separate this cos square x, then here we get sine square x upon cos square x plus b cos square x upon cos square x. This will get cancelled, so I am rubbing this and this will changes to tan square x because sin x by cos x is tan square x. Okay, and this 1 by cos square x is sec square x. Now what we have integral of sec square x upon a tan square x plus b dx. Now put tan of x is equals to t and this sec square x dx will go to dt. Okay, so this integral will be reduced like dt by a t square plus b. Okay, now we are taking this a common outside. This will become 1 by a integral of dt by t square plus b by a. This b by a can be written as under root of b by a whole square. Now we can use here this integral of 1 by x square plus a square is equals to 1 by tan inverse of x by a. So if we put this formula here, we get 1 by a integral of dt by e square plus under root of b by a. Now if we use this formula, we can get the value of this integral very easily, and the value is 1 by a to 1 by under root of b by a into tan inverse of t by a, means t by under root of b by a. Okay, so if we solve this, we get root a into root b, and in place of t we are writing tan x okay, and if we rewrite this, it can be written as under root of a by b into tan x plus c. So this is the way how this integral can be solved. Now we are moving for the second type, that is this 1 by a plus b sine square x. Now what is the first step? Divide the numerator and denominator by cos square x. So you will get here sec square x dx upon a sec square x plus b tan square x. Now in this case, where there is a term of sec square x in the denominator, put sec square x is equal to 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, if there is sec square x term in the denominator, you put sec square x is equal to 1 plus 10 square x. So this integral will be reduced to sec square x dx upon a into 1 plus 10 square x plus b 10 square x. Okay, so this will become sec square x dx upon a plus b 10 square x. Now take a plus b common outside. Okay, you are left with sec square x dx upon 10 square x plus a by a plus b, or you can write here as under root of a by a plus b ka whole square. Okay, now put 10x is equal to t, and this sec square x dx will go to dt, and this integral will be reduced to 1 by a plus b integral of dt by t square plus under root of a by a plus b whole square, and the value of this integral would be 1 by a plus b into 1 by root a into root a plus b into tan inverse of t by root a upon a plus b plus c. Now in place of t you can write tan inverse of x, 10x, sorry, because we have considered 10x is equal to t. Okay, now rest you can do yourself. I am taking the third example. Okay, just you need to adjust the numerator and denominator. Okay, now taking the third type, that is fourth type. The second and third type can be solved by the same method. Okay, I am just taking fourth and fifth type now. That is integral of 1 by a sin x plus b cos of x whole square dx. What is the first step? Divide the numerator and denominator by cos. What you will get here? You will get here sec square x upon a tan x plus sorry, we need to expand the denominator, or we can directly take common cos x from the denominator. We will get a tan x plus b whole square. Okay, now you directly put a tan x plus b is equals to t, and this a sec square x dx will be equals to dt, and sec square x dx will be equal to dt by a. So this will be equal to 1 by a integral of dt by t square, and we very well know the integration of this function. What will be the integration of this? This integral of this would be t to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. Okay, this is t to the power minus 1 upon minus 1. So I'm writing here this will be minus 1 by a into 1 by t, and in place of t you will write a tan x plus b. So in place of t we are writing a tan of x plus c. Okay, so this is how this integral can be evaluated. Okay, now we are taking this fifth type. That is 1 by a plus b sin square x plus c cos square x dx. Now we are dividing the numerator and denominator by cos square. What we will get after dividing, that is sec square x upon a sec square x plus b tan square x plus c. Now in place of sec square x we are writing 1 plus tan square x. So I am writing here only 1 plus 10 square x. Okay, now if you multiply a inside, this will become a plus a 10 square x. Okay, if we take 10 square x common, ten square x a plus b plus a plus c dx. Okay, now take this a plus b outside, 1 by a plus b, you will get square x upon 10 square x plus ac by a plus b, which can be written as under root of ac by a plus b ka whole square. Okay, now put 10x is equal to t, and this sec square x dx will go to dt. Okay, so here we have 1 by a plus b into dt, sorry, 1 by a plus b into integral of dt by t square plus under root of a plus c by a plus b whole square. After evaluating this integral, we will get 1 by a plus b into 1 by under root of a plus c by a plus b into tan inverse of t by under root a plus c upon a plus b plus c. If we adjust this, we will get this in the numerator and we will get here. Okay, and in place of t we are writing t is equal to tan of x. So this is the final value of this integral. Okay, if you have any doubts, any query regarding this section, please put your valuable comments below the video. Thank you so much. Do like and share the video, and you have not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe. You have lot to more for learning. Thank you so much.